On Discord, I was asked how many toilet flushes it would require to cool down the sun. Well, the answer to that is, it's impossible. Because the sun is mainly made up of hydrogen and helium, and adding more hydrogen to it would make it only stronger. Unless, if we somehow replace the fission of it with combustion. Now, let's divide the problem into two parts. Firstly, calculating how long it would take for our first flush to reach the sun. And in the second part, we would calculate how many years of constant water flow it would require to finally cool down the sun. So, to our canvas. The distance between the Earth and the Sun is approximately 149.6 million kilometers. So, distance is equal to 149,600,000 kilometers, or in meters, which is equal to 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meters. The velocity of a toilet is around 2 meters. Now, the formula for time is t is equal to distance divided by velocity, which is equal to 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 divided by 2. And as a result, we get 7.48 into 10 to the power 10 seconds. For instance, a year corresponds to this amount of seconds. That means time is equal to 7.48 into 10 to the power 10 divided by 3.15576 into 10 to the power 7, which roughly gives us 2,370 years. So if we started building it in 345 BCE, then we would have completed building it just by today. Now to the second part. Here are all the proofs to that. And, I would rather watch paint dry than read all that out. The sun's mass is about 2 times 10 to the power 30 kilograms. Roughly 70% is hydrogen. So, 70% of 2 times 10 to the power 30 kilograms. That's 1.4 times 10 to the power 30 kilograms of fuel. Combustion. Hydrogen plus oxygen is equal to water. Energy released. About 1.4 times 10 to the power 8 joules per kilogram. Multiply total chemical energy of our combustion sun, which is this value multiplied by this value, 1.4. Wait, so 1.4 times 10 to the power 30 times 1.4 times 10 to the power 8 is equal to approximately 2 times 10 to the power 38 joules. That's a lot, like a lot, really a lot. Here, the number of toilets is equal to 1 billion, and water per flush is around 6 kilograms liters. Now, let's move on to the next page. Basically, here's the toilet flush, 6 liters of water. To cool something, we will let that water evaporate. That spews energy, latent heat, 2.26 times 10 to the power 6 joule per kg. Now, latent heat multiplied by flushes, which is 2.26 times 10 to the power 6 multiplied by 6 kg, which is equal to 1.36 times 10 to the power 7 joule per flush. Number of flushes needed, 2 times 10 to the power 38 divided by 1.36 times 10 to the power 7, which is approximately 1.5 times 10 to the power 31 flushes. 1 billion toilets on Earth flushing once per second. That's 10 to the power 9 flushes per second. Time is equal to 1.5 times 10 to the power 31 divided by 10 to the power 9 is equal to 1.5 times 10 to the power 22 seconds. Convert to years. We'll get 47,000,000,000,000,000,000,000 years. 470 trillion years. Compared to that, the universe is only 13.8 billion years old. So even with every toilet on Earth flushing non-stop since the Big Bang, you wouldn't even make a dent. Moral of this story, your toilet is powerful. But the sun, even as a campfire, is on a whole different level. Now go flush responsibly.